Welcome to this introduction to the Celigo integration platform. Celigo is an iPaaS that allows you to quickly connect applications and automate business processes across applications. Today we're going to show you how you can use Celigo to connect these applications and also accelerate Acumatica sales and services by using these integrations. So Celigo is an integration platform, and with it you can connect to thousands of different applications quickly without having to go into custom code or build each of these integrations from scratch. So you can choose from hundreds of applications that are already in our product, or you can also leverage universal connectors such as RESTful API adapters and HTTP adapters to be able to quickly connect to thousands of other applications. So Celigo allows you to standardize how all applications are integrated within an organization. Celigo has a deep expertise in ERP use from the thousands of customers we've integrated over the last 10 years. We are an Acumatica certified and Acumatica customer validated application, so you can find us in the Acumatica marketplace. You may have seen us in the Gartner Magic Quadrant for the last several years, and we're also a G2 iPaaS leader. Our goal is to make integrations accessible for everyone in the organization, from the technical developer all the way to the line of business user. So what's the challenge that Celigo is trying to resolve? In any organization, there may be hundreds of applications that are adopted by different departments. And each of these applications are creating their own data, or they need their own data, creating all these data silos. And oftentimes the ERP and Acumatica is the application in which all the master data records for financials and customer data are located. So that means that everybody in the organization needs information that's going in and out of the ERP. The challenge is that if these systems are connected, there are a lot of issues with manual data entry that goes from system to system, errors that need to be corrected, delays, unhappy customers, and all the issues that you see when data isn't fluidly moving from one place to another. But historically, integration has not been easy. So these are some of the challenges that we hear from Acumatica professionals as it relates to integration. Certainly you have to decide whether you're going to build it yourself or not. And building yourself has its own challenges because it requires technical resources. There's lots of functionality such as guaranteed data deliveries and error monitoring that you have to build yourself. And every time that an integration needs to be updated, it requires some technical resources. But sometimes you can leverage third-party applications, but those have their challenges as well. For each point-to-point connector, there are many options in the Acumatica marketplace. You're dealing with many vendors. Sometimes these products are offered by service companies that might be in competition with you. You start adding quite a bit of the deal complexity. Now you're getting more deal resources. It becomes harder to hand off to the customer. And ultimately, it adds quite a bit of time and expense to the project that makes it harder for you to complete your deals and affects your own bottom line. So that's where Celigo comes in. Celigo is the powerful integration platform that takes away a lot of the technical development in building these integrations, while at the same time providing a launch point to be able to create pre-built connectors to accelerate how these integrations are done. And because there's a whole set of infrastructure in terms of key functionality around integration, it makes it much easier not just to get the application up and running, but also to be able to hand it off to your customer or other users so that you can focus on integrations or projects that are more valuable to your own bottom line. Through this powerful functionality, you're able to connect any application with Celigo. And many customers have been able to take Acumatica and automate business processes from lead to cash to order fulfillment, 3PL, storefronts, marketplaces, and many other use cases with anyone who's using an ERP. And with Celigo specifically, you can actually get started for free. You can go to celigo.com, get a free account, and start using a free flow to try these integrations yourself. Within the marketplace, you'll find hundreds of applications that you can connect to. And in the case of Acumatica, we've also have many other pre-built templates to popular applications such as Shopify, BigCommerce, Salesforce that get you started in the integration without you having to do everything from scratch. So as an example of what one of these pre-built integrations could be, this is a Shopify Acumatica integration template, which is fairly reflective of what storefront and marketplace integrations into ERP is. You can see how information such as the customer information, sales orders, inventory, billing, and more moves fluidly between these two different applications, accelerating how these orders are taken and making sure that your company is able to do as much as possible with as few resources as possible. Celigo also offers 3 separate partner programs. We have a normal systems integrator program where partners are certified to build Celigo integrations for Celigo customers. That means that Celigo or a customer could contact you for services related to implementing Celigo integrations. And on the Celigo side, that billing is typically based on time and materials. We also have a solution provider program in which not only are you able to service Celigo customers, but you're also able to sell Celigo products, and you receive a percentage of the subscription and all the services related to that particular opportunity. And finally, we have a regular referral partner program in which Acumatica Partners can simply refer some opportunity to Celigo for Celigo to sell, in which case the partner will receive a percentage of the subscription upon that referral becoming a Celigo customer. So as an example, a use case for Celigo, InfoSourcing came to us because of a project they had for Kevin's Worldwide, where they had to integrate e-commerce web stores, Bright Stores, web orders into Acumatica for fulfillment. They needed to download those orders on a scheduled basis, and they were coding this manually previously. And because of the number of stores and the timeline that they needed to integrate these with, this was going to be fairly costly and time-consuming the way that they were doing this previously through regular APIs. So what they did was leverage Celigo to accelerate how these integrations were built. They used the RESTful API adapters, the universal adapters, to be able to connect the stores quickly, and a lot of the other integration functionality was already built into the particular product, allowing them to integrate much faster with a low-code deployment. To summarize, Celigo is a full integration platform, allows you to connect anything in any application to ERP. It is fully customizable with very advanced functionality. It allows you to add new technologies to your stack without needing to bring in new vendors or new applications, and it's scalable. It grows as your organization grows. In addition, Celigo as a company is an ERP expert. We are here to help you. We are proven, we're responsive, and we have a fairly straightforward pricing model to make it easier for everyone to be able to adopt integration platforms. We also, as a company, are not in competition for your services. And finally, our platform is scalable for you and your customer. So to learn more about Celigo, visit Celigo.com. You can start integrating for free with a Celigo account. And if you have any questions, please reach out directly to us at info@celigo.com.